crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and well, under here is telling you what day it is. I don't know. I think it's 16. I think it's 16 days of my 25 days of Christmas. And I've been just going crazy with cards. All is calm? No, not in the least, but I'm trying. So what I did is just, this is the last of my cards. I showed you the pinwheel. This is an AliExpress die that I did with a Anna Griffin with some scraps. Sentiment, by the way. Um, these are like things from Pinterest and just taking scraps of paper and cut aparts. These are from Crafter's Companion die. Some more of the pinwheels. This is an Anna Griffin card from the Toile kit. Another cut apart. Some more cut aparts. Another cut apart. This is from a couple of years ago, actually about 10 years ago. This I wanted to show you. This is just a yummy hot chocolate. This is Christmas paper, but done in a non-Christmas way. But I had the card in my stash, and I thought, I want to send it. So, I put a cut apart on the middle, all is bright, and I'm going to send it out as a Christmas card. See, you can just about do anything that you want to do. And again, some more cut aparts with some die cuts on there. So going crazy last minute, it's that time. So I got to get these out tomorrow. Do y'all feel stressed? I'm real stressed. Anyway, you have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow with another project. And in the meantime, try to get your work done and not be so stressed. All is calm. Have a great day. Bye.